Hello, my name is Prince Ture, and today I'll be discussing AI as friend or assistant, the mediating role of perceived usefulness in social AI versus functional AI. Purpose of the study and hypothesis. The purpose of the study is to understand how individuals perceive social AI opposed to functional AI technology, as well as understanding how AI technology is perceived as useful or not. The gap within the study we're trying to address is understanding why people perceive non-functional AI, such as social AI, the way they do. Within the study, the authors pose two hypotheses. Hypothesis 1 stated functional AI will elicit more positive perceptions such as attitudes towards AI and perceived realism of AI compared to social AI. While Hypothesis 2 stated perceived usefulness of artificial intelligence serves as a stronger mediator such that functional AI induces stronger perceived usefulness of artificial intelligence, which consequently fosters more positive perceptions about the AI, such as attitudes towards AI and realism of AI. Study methods. Participants were undergraduates recruited through emails sent out by course instructors. A total of 289 participants responded to the study. Those who responded were asked to read and acknowledge an informed consent before they were instructed to complete their first task. The participants were made to watch either one of two videos that were edited clips of the 2013 movie Her. The movie depicts the budding relationship of a human named Theodore and an AI named Samantha. The social AI group watched the video of Samantha talking to Theodore as he played video games, walked on the beach, and walked around a carnival, playing the role of Theodore's friend. While the functional AI group watched the video of Samantha helping Theodore as an assistant with organizing his emails, proofreading his writing, and helping him publish a book. Following the completion of the first task, the participants were asked to answer a series of questions regarding the video they watched. The responses were measured on a 6-point scale, with 1 being very uncomfortable and 6 being very comfortable. Once all responses were gathered, researchers went through a series of data screening resulting in a final sample size of 196 participants. In order to address the hypotheses posed in the beginning, an ANOVA or analysis of covariance was used to conduct Hypothesis 1, while for Hypothesis 2, a bootstrapping approach that was based on a 5,000 bootstrapping sample was used to address Hypothesis 2. Study findings. Their findings indicated participants had a more favorable opinion on a functional AI opposed to social AI. The favorability of functional AI opposed to social AI lies in its ability to complete a task-related activities, revealing that people's perception of AI is reliant on technology's usefulness. In other words, people prefer AI that completes a task compared to AI that assists in social activities. Another reasoning for people's preference for functional AI opposed to social AI is the fact that people already had pre-existing relationships, so they did not find it necessary to have social AI. But they did think it was necessary to have functional AI that would help them with accomplishing tasks throughout the day. Their finding also revealed a lack of understanding regarding the possibilities of AI due to lack of experience. Although AI is a technology that has been discussed and researched for the past few decades, it's still a technology that is not very common, so people's understanding of what the possibilities of AI can do are still lacking. Within the slide, I have 2 images that show the results of both hypotheses, but I'll be discussing Table 1, as it discusses the effects of AI types on attitudes and perceived realism, or the first hypothesis. When it comes to the attitudes on social versus functional AI, those who watched the functional AI video ranked it at 4.80 compared to those of the social AI who ranked it at 4.10, showing that they perceived functional AI as more favorable than those in the social AI group. Showing that it agrees with the hypothesis that functional AI is more favorably shown compared to social AI because of its functionality. Reliability. Although the hypothesis of the study was deemed true, there were still many limitations of the study. One limitation being that the disproportionate gender distribution amongst participants. An overwhelming majority of the participants identified as female at 80.1%. The second limitation found within the study is the technology being limited to voice AI. Because the technology used in the movie Her was a voice AI, it was only relegated to voice AI. But there's a variety of AI technology, from embedded to disembodied machines, that were not included in the study. The third and final limitation is the participants' limited understanding of AI. Participants' perception of social and functional AI was limited to what was shown in the video. By not directly interacting with the technology, it limited their understanding of how to truly perceive the technology itself. Connection to Kling. An individual's perception of social AI versus functional AI is dependent on their perceived usefulness of the technology. A frame of thought that corresponds with Kling's idea of social informatics. According to Kling, the idea of social informatics research is that social context of information technology development and use plays a significant role in influencing the ways that people use information and technologies, and thus influence their consequences for work, organization, and other social relationships. Agreeing with the point made earlier that functional AI was more favorable opposed to social AI because of its functionality, because people were able to use it in a way that helped them. Although there are benefits to social AI, it's not as beneficial as functional AI opposed to other people who used it. With that, I conclude my time. Thank you.